We're back with the 2K to $2 million reboot update. Today is July 31st, 2024. As you can see, my account is currently a little over 2,600. I am currently in an Ethereum position. Entry price is 3,300. Liquidation price is 23.27. I did close an Ethereum position earlier this morning around 1300 hours on TradingView because like I said yesterday, consistently for the last couple of weeks at US market open, the market or crypto market pretty much has been dumping. I've been following ETH and I know ETH has been going down when the crypto market or when the US market opens. And so I decided to sell it at that time for the second day in a row, and it has worked out now. I didn't get that much profit, and I'll show you in a minute why I didn't get that much profit. Okay. So yesterday I cleared maybe about 85 bucks or so because it was four positions I closed yesterday. Three of them were in losses and one in profits. But that's how you want it to look when you're trading, is that it's not necessarily about how many wins you have. It's about your wins versus your losses in terms of the amount. So even though I had three losses yesterday and one win, I still was profitable. And that's what we're changing here with what I'm doing now. I used to have a lot of wins. I remember one time within 600 trades, because I was trading a lot back in 2021, 2022. And within 600 trades, I may have only had 15 losses. But those 15 losses far outweighed those 600 wins. So, I mean, or those 500 and something, 580 something wins. So that's the thing. It's not necessarily about how many wins you have. It's about the quality of your wins, right? And so, anyway, I came out ahead yesterday. Today, the only position I closed was the Ethereum position. As you can see right here in the corner of this block, right hand bottom corner of this block, it says that close time, and on the right hand side it says 7:31, 8:55. So on the Eastern Standard Time here in the US, 9 o'clock the US market opens. I closed the position at 8:55. But as soon as I close the position, this red bordered block right here is from 1300 hours or 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time to 1700 hours or 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. It's a 4-hour block, and soon on the left hand side is where it starts, and of course on the right hand side is where it ends. But as soon as 9 o'clock came, the US market open, it started to go up. And I was like, man, as soon as I reveal this little pattern that I've noticed for the last couple of weeks to the public, now it's going to do the opposite the very next day. But it ended up reverting back to what it has been doing for the last couple of weeks, and that is from 9 o'clock or 1300 hours on TradingView to 1700 hours on TradingView. Within that time frame, the market, or especially Ethereum, because that's what I've been following, is decently lower than it was at 9 o'clock or 1300 hours. Sometime within that 4-hour block, it will be at a decently lower price. And if you can take advantage of that, then do so, right? That's what I was telling myself. So the last couple of days, that's what I've done. I've sold around 9 o'clock and I've reset or put a buy order in at the entry price or previous entry price that I've had in both days. I was lucky enough for it to trigger. Now, will it happen again tomorrow? I don't know. You can't keep going to the well too many times, but this is something that I've noticed for over a year, that a lot of times it gets into a groove. The price action in the crypto market gets into a groove where it tends to dump or go down when the US market opens. And sometimes it gets into a groove where it tends to go down when the China market opens. So I don't know what's going on with that, but I've noticed. So when it's in that groove, I guess I'll try to take advantage of it. But it's been going on for a minute, so I don't know how much longer I will do this, because I know Ethereum is coiling up to make a strong move, and I really don't want to miss it. And so what I'm from here on out, right now, if the profits is not over $100 at 9 o'clock, then I'll just hold it, because it's not worth risking. $30 to me is not worth risking the chance to potentially get these gains that I believe is coming to Ethereum. Really, $100 is not, but I might do it at $100. If I can clear $100 on my P&L, then I may go ahead and take the chance. But I think Ethereum will be popping soon, and I don't know what Fed Chair Powell will say today, but if he says something that the people is not expecting, like we will add another rate cut, so instead of one rate cut, it'll be two rate cuts this year, mm, we may have some bullish momentum, but I do expect him to be favoring a rate cut in September. I believe, expect that, but maybe he can say something that's bullish. I don't think that the September rate cut that we're expecting is a no-go. So long as that stay in place, it won't negatively affect the market. So in other words, I don't think that there's anything that he will say today that will negatively affect the market. Okay, so we'll see what happens. That's the update for today. I'll talk to you next video.